Okay, as promised, Optimus Prime by Robosen. I'm going to be doing the voice commands on this one. So these are all the voice commands so far that is in the instructions. You've seen the app commands, and some of them I'll repeat it here. But oh look, he wants to pose. Okay, so let me. This is how you do. You have to call him out, and then you tell him the action. Hey, Optimus. Move forward.
Let's go.
And there you go. Let's do some more. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Return to headquarters.
To all are one.
Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Energon.
I may be low on energon, but I still have enough to conquer you, Megatron.
So that's kind of similar to the app one. I might even skip some of those. So let's see. And I'll do shut down the last one. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Look out. No, maybe too late. Hey, Oh. I guess he's doing something. He's looking out, I guess. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Turn right. Okay. I'm not going to do all the turns or anything. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Report.
Let's go.
Volume up. Volume down. There. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Roll out.
Let's roll.
Oh, crap.
Wheel is stuck.
Oh,
Reboot to restore. Left wheel is stuck. Reboot to restore.
that was odd.
Left
I don't know how far it would have gone. I think it wouldn't have gone that far. I don't think it did earlier.
Wheel is stuck. Reboot to restore.
What?
Left wheel is stuck. Reboot to restore. Left wheel is stuck.
Oh, yeah, reset it.
Reboot to restore. Left.
Hope I didn't break it.
Greetings, friend.
Yeah.
I am Optimus Prime.
Okay. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Transform. Same word. The same word for transform is convert. Okay. Sorry about that. Let's see. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Power. Didn't we do this already? I think we did.
I returned, more powerful than ever.
Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Stay back.
We will never give up. Never surrender.
Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Are we friends?
You are my friend.
That's cool. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Happy birthday.
Greetings from Cybertron. I am Optimus Prime. I am granting you permission to have the greatest birthday the universe has ever seen. Roll out.
By the way, you probably noticed I left the little tape on the windows but I'm just trying to keep it from getting dirty for, you know, just got this thing. So anyway, you may not even be able to see that. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Freedom.
Freedom is the right of all sentient beings.
I think we did the hero one already. Let's see. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Open fire.
Fire now.
Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Megatron.
Megatron must be stopped, no matter the cost.
Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Guard.
The Autobots need your help to defeat the Decepticons.
Uppercut. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Turn left. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Attack.
Prepare for battle.
Cancel. Maybe not. Okay. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Decepticons.
Let's stop the Decepticons.
Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Honor.
Corruption is never a path to freedom.
Cool. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Say hello.
Greetings, friend. I am Optimus Prime.
Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Victory.
Knowledge is the pathway to victory.
Yes, it is.
Eyes your arsenal.
Oh. Okay. Start actions.
Systems are not available.
Oh, crap. Cancel.
The Autobots need your help to defeat the Decepticons.
Just did that. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Turn left. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Who are you?
I am Optimus Prime.
Leader of the Autobots. Okay. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Protect.
Prepare for battle.
Yeah, that's cool. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Loyalty.
We will never forsake this planet or its people.
Bam. Thank you, Optimus Prime. Okay. So I think that's pretty much it. You know, I'm not gonna do engage or hero because like I was on the app. I did that video already. So here's the last one for now. Hey, Optimus. Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Shut down.
Autobots never give up.
Hey, Optimus.
Greetings.
Shut down.
Autobots never give up.
So he goes to sit or squat and then he shuts off, lights off. The only way to turn back on is to hold the power button back here. 5 seconds. And
I am the leader of the Autobots.
And since he's already in this mode, he just gets up. So cool. I'm gonna go ahead and transform him back to truck mode. I can show you a little bit. Well, you saw already. I don't want to damage him further. So, hey Optimus. Hey Optimus.
Greetings.
Convert. Convert. No. Hey Optimus.
Greetings.
Convert. That was cool. So let me show you the front. Looks like that. Ain't that awesome? Well, thanks. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it.